Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. So I know it's been so long since I have posted something on my channel. So I'm resuming my work, then basically creating videos and all those things. So going forward, I'll make sure that I'll be posting informative videos in this channel. Whatever I'm learning, I'll be sharing it with the community. So this video is all about how you can contribute to the community or how you can share your work, whatever you're doing, into the Figma community. So it's pretty much simple. It's straightforward. Nothing much you need to do. While getting into the design work or while getting into designing, I had created a couple of illustrations during my free time, like couple of years back. So I thought of sharing those with the community, uh, like which got me into designing and all, how I learned designing and all those things. So this is something which I'll be sharing in the community. So along with which I'll show you how we can basically share our work in the community, Figma community as such. So what I've done, I've basically divided this into two sections. First section is about the thumbnail and about me. Then I've added a separator, and then these are the some of the illustrations which I've done as I got into the design or to know the tool as the Figma itself. These were the designs which I had created. Some of them I've already shared in the channel, like how these illustrations I've created. So the step-by-step videos are already there in the channel. So if you are interested, do check them out. So first page is basically the cover image or the thumbnail image. So the dimension of the image is basically this one, 1920 into 1080. So you can basically use this specific frame dimension, and this is the thumbnail or the cover image which I've created. So just I've kept it simple, basically a title and a small description about me, like my name and then what I'm doing. And over here I've shared three of the illustrations what I've shared over here. So I have more illustration which I'll be updating over here, but for now I've just shared a few, and from there I've shared this. So this is the image that the people in the community would be seeing first. So while they are scrolling through the community page, they will be seeing this specific cover image. So it's important to make this attractive so that people are interested and clicking on it. Now the next page is all about me, like who am I, then what I'm right now doing, and what I like to do other than my work. So I've kept it simple. I'll be adding more details about me over here. So for now I've just kept it short over here. And yeah, so these are some of the illustrations which I've created. So each of them have been separated into individual pages. So if you are in the free plan, you can just combine them into individual, like you can just have one single page and then have multiple frames one by one below the other, so that like if you are in the free plan, like what I am right now in this specific count, so I have already reached the limit of pages that I can create over here. So it's better if you have less image, then you can separate them out like this. If you have more, then you can still separate them, like max 6 or 7. Then you can have multiple frames within individual pages itself. So this is something which I created inspired after watching a stand-up comedy. So thought of creating a mic. I guess I have already shared the video about this in the channel. So if you're interested, do check that out. And then this is something which I created long back, which is basically a sports car. Then this I had created way back after watching so many videos, like after seeing like a day in life of a software engineer or a product designer. So everyone goes into cafes and all those things and shows good shots. So based on that, I created something like this. And yeah, these are something which I had created. Yeah, so all these designs I've created long way back, like while I got into design as such, like 3 to 4 years back. And before that I was still am a software engineer, but I also work as a product engineer in a product based company. So yeah, I love to code, and I also love coffee, so yeah, will code for coffee is something which I've created over here. And then I've shared these things which got a good number of views as well. So this is the avatar, and I've also shared the steps, how basically it's just a 5-step process, and how each of these steps would result in something like this. Same for the cactus video. So once you're done with all these things, after that you can create the thumbnail like this. And then the first thing that you need to do is basically set it as a thumbnail. So you can just right click on the frame and then click on set as thumbnail, which would basically set it as a thumbnail. You can see thumbnail set. Then once done, you can click on share. So I've already shared this initially, but still for someone who is new, then you will be able to see publish to community instead of update community file. So you can click on that. So once done, you will see something like this, where you will have publish instead of publish update. You can click on that. Then these are the steps which are common. So even if you are publishing again and again the same page, so whatever changes you have done, you can still republish those things. So here, or if you are publishing for the first time, still the steps over here would be the same. So you can give it a name, then share some random illustration. So this can be the description, whatever you want, you can add it over here, and can specify the category. So since this is more like a design inspiration, I've selected that. If you are sharing something like an icon pack, it can be over here. If you're sharing a UI kit or wireframes, that can be over here. If you're sharing templates, you can share it over here. This can also be made paid. If you want to make money out of it, that can also be done. But for now, I've kept it on the free plan itself, so that everyone is able to access it. And these are some of the tags which you can add. I've just added creative design illustration, so just random illustrations, or maybe something like, let's say, illustration designs, design, creative design, yeah. And then you can click on next. Then the thumbnail, whatever you have set as thumbnail, would be appearing over here. If not, you can basically upload. You will see an upload button over here. You can basically export the frame and basically upload it over here. And then whatever images you have added, in case you are interested in sharing them over here, so that for someone before accessing the file itself, they should know what exactly are the things that they would get after going into the file. So some of the work that you have done can be shared like this. You can upload the images like this and then click next. Then I have 2 accounts, so you can just select whatever account from whatever account you want to share, and then add a support contact and then hit publish. So that's pretty much it. Once it's done, you'll see it's compiling and all those things. Once it's done, you can see you are live. Thanks for putting your work out there and sharing it with Figma community. So you will see something like this, and then you can click copy to share if you are interested, sharing it in social media and other places, or just click on go community, and here you will see the work over here. So this is the illustration or the thumbnail which we have set, so they'll be able to see that, and they can open it in Figma and see your work and share their comments over here. So this is pretty much all in the video. So if you would like to share your work, you can do like and contribute it to the community like this. Whatever UI kit and other things you are doing, you can easily share like this. So yep, thanks. See you in the next video.